Here is the financial mistake that we bought. I'm doing it, Jack.
Fucking hell.
I'm doing it. Hang on, wait.
It's been a while.
Yeah, sorry, just blowing dust off. Oh god, that's a lot of dust. My muff's got a load of dust.
Your muff? Yeah, I'll take it.
This is not a very good intro to it. Oh wow.
I feel good.
I think people feel violated. So, it's a different day.
What we done?
Wait, different days do happen.
Different days are the normal thing.
But that is right, what have we done? We bought another car. And it's not the one that you just saw, no. It's not a Vauxhall.
No.
Oh shit.
It's not just a normal flip car either.
No, we're not sure. Well, we're not sure what we're going to do with it to begin with. We think we're going to sell it after we've sorted it. And I mean, we've seen it at this point. Let's just say that we've seen it. I've recorded a clip of it coming off the trailer. We've seen it at this point, and
out of 10, how good is it?
Can we do negative numbers? No, I'd say it's a 3.
Right, now the bodywork out of 10.
Bodywork out of 10, negative 33,000. No, there's no rust. But you don't know what it is yet. Well, you will do by the end of this video. So what we're going to do now, we bought another car. We've got plans. So this car, I don't think we're going to keep it. I think we're going to do it up, sell it, and then we're going to use the money for something else because we've got plans. And it regards where the channel started. We're going to go back to things like that, and you'll see. You'll know what it is later on down the line. But you're not going to see this video until this car is probably up for sale or been sold. We want to get it all the way through rather than waiting, because if we do have to wait for parts, this is the issue we've got at the minute. Parts that come, we literally put a video up and then we spend weeks and weeks waiting for parts. Like the Mazda, still here because we're waiting on liners. Ordered some more from another company. They've now also said 4 to 6 weeks. So to put a video out and to continue the content is very difficult, and obviously it's frustrating for us as well as you guys, because you want to keep up to date with everything that's going off, which isn't possible. I'm going to shut up now. What we're going to do is going to get this engine out first. This is a Astra HVXR. It's been dropped off for a forge. I nearly just died. Dropped off for a forge, so we're going to get this engine out first, and then what we're going to do is we're going to then show you the absolute beast that we have bought, haven't we?
Yeah, I don't know if I call it that though.
Hey?
I don't know if I call it that.
What do you mean? Why wouldn't you call it that?
I mean, it sounds like one. What's the nervous laugh for?
Because I'm nervous. So we've just found out that the car is here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go outside and we're going to see the absolute beast that we have bought. Now the options are for this car, like I said, is fix it up, sell it, or we keep it and possibly do something else with it, but we'll see. We do have plans for other projects in the future. Again, like I said, we are slowly getting there with things. We've just been extremely busy, but we've sped up the forging process, so this means we will have more time for our own cars and our own projects, so that means more videos for you guys. So next clip you're about to see is of the car coming off the trailer, and yeah, it's not that bad. I mean, it's not that bad. I keep telling myself that to make myself feel better. The paint is the worst bit. It does have engine light on, does have traction control light, and it does have an ABS light. So yeah, tell me what you think down below. Let me know what you think in the comments. Tell me what you think we should do with it as well, and maybe your option's right. Maybe we did stick with it, or maybe we did sell it. I guess time will tell. Here is the financial mistake that we bought. That's a bit low, that. kind of bought this bad boy. So it's got no exhaust on it, that's why it's just loud as anything. Not sure what we're going to do with it yet. The paintwork's really bad. Excuse the wind because I'm recording on my phone, but the paintwork's really bad. So we're not sure whether to just flip it and sell it or whether to keep it. We're not sure, but it drives, so that's a bonus. You can't really see the paintwork, how bad that is on camera at the minute. But looking at here, don't know if you can, yeah, there you go. You can, that's really bad. That made me jump. So yeah, it's a lot more quieter now. It's off, but chat, why have we done this again? It's YouTube content. This is for the peoples. So it could do with the respray, to be honest. So we're not sure whether to get it resprayed, but obviously all this needs to be sorted out. It's like it's filler. It's like the whole thing is just filled. Like that there. It feels like filler, doesn't it, everywhere? So we're not sure whether it's just going to be cheaper to buy some second-hand wings, because this has got it on as well. A second-hand boot. The bumpers seem perfectly fine because they're plastic. They don't seem to be an issue. Obviously this has got the scrapes and that on it, which again you're going to get regardless. However, exciting times though, because it means that you're going to get some more content. So you're going to see this all the way to the end. It's going to get done faster than mine, although somebody did come up this morning to look at painting that. But you're going to see this right to the very end of whatever we decide to do. We might use it as a flip car, we might not. But we do have other plans for something else in the future as well, which you will all really appreciate, so watch out for that. Let's just say we'll be bringing old school back from when I first started YouTube. Comment down below if you know what that means. So there she is, the beast of Sutton in Ashfield.
What, me?
No, no, the car. So we've got options. Now the options are, what are the options?
Fix it and sell it.
Yeah.
Keep it drift car.
Right. So if we was to drift it, we'd have to manual convert it.
Yeah.
Which we could do. Just get a conversion plate and all that shit.
Yeah.
So we've got two options: keep it, drift it.
Normal 350 gearbox and box straight up, won't it?
Oh, yeah, we could actually. Well, I don't know. Yeah, that would chestnut. But saying that though, 350 gearboxes are expensive.
Are they?
Yeah, they use them in a lot of drift cars. Options is fix it, sell it, make some money on it, do our other project.
I think that's the best bet.
I mean, that is the other. I mean, we could still do that anyway, even if we kept this. But it boils down to how much it's going to cost to fix that paintwork, isn't it? Realistically,
It looks okay from here.
it looks okay when you do this too.
I'm squinting.
Mm.
It looks alright.
It's fine. Yeah, it's okay. But yeah, it does all boil down to this paintwork, because we've figured out what's actually wrong with it as well. It's like somebody's gone over it with a little DA and just gouged into the whole lot of it, like everything. It's like every single metal panel. The plastic stuff's perfectly fine. It's literally just every metal panel in it, and you can feel it all as well, really bad. It is an import.
It works. Oh, look at that.
Used to be silver. It is an import as well. So yeah, I think it just depends. There's been some decals on the side. That's what you can see. It's like sticky glue and stuff. So what it boils down to is literally the price, innit? Because if it costs too much to actually get that sorted with the paintwork, then we're going to rip it to pieces and put a wide body on it. But it's not going to be that wide body, because that takes the absolute piss to do. We picked the worst wide body to do, I think, didn't we, first? Probably something like Rocket Bunny, something like that, maybe. But we'll see. Again, it all depends how much it's going to cost, because if it's going to cost 500 quid or 600 quid or whatever to spray it, then we'll spray it. If it's going to cost 4 grand, it's getting smashed into a wall.
No, but it's not in bodywork.
No, there isn't. That's the thing. There would be no point. So the options are there. Obviously, we'll decide that before you guys even get an input, because you won't see this. This will probably be finished or sold or whatever else we're doing with it before you even get a say. So he's just checking now that it actually changes gear and everything. Just making sure that that's all alright. because again it's an auto, so it is loud, but I think we've got a right bargain. I mean, yeah, the paintwork's a bit shit, but still, whatever we decide to do with it, it should be alright anyway. We should be able to do something with it and figure something out, so let the fun begin.